Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Protect plan for video retention and downloads, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up the Ring Protect plan, ensure your Ring device is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. If you are not logged in, enter your Ring account credentials. Once logged in, tap on the three lines in the upper left corner to access the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. Next, choose Plan to view available subscription options. Look for the Ring Protect plan that suits your needs. Tap on the plan to see its features and benefits. If you decide to purchase the plan, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the transaction. Select Devices to view all your Ring devices. Choose the device for which you want to enable video retention and downloads. Within the device settings, look for Video Recording. Enable the video recording feature if it isn't already active. You can now set your preferences for video retention time. Adjust the settings according to how long you want your videos saved. Once configured, exit the settings page to return to the main screen. To download videos, tap on the Event History option. Scroll through your recorded events to find the specific video you want to download. Tap on the video to open it. Look for the download icon, usually represented by an arrow or a downward-facing icon. Tap the download icon to save the video to your device. Check your device's Downloads folder to locate the saved video. That's how you set up the Ring Protect plan for video retention and downloads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.